Hi everyone, I just made a quick video just before for this, and I show my previous coffee machine Dolce Gusto Oblo by Krups, and this is the Krups, the newest one of the newest one, Genio S Plus. Basically it's quite compact and you can use with the indicator and how much you coffee want, and you pick which color. So basically this will be the quick unboxing opening, and let's see what we got inside. Alright, so we have one here to hold the glasses and carton box, some papers. I mean, being honest, I didn't open this one yet, so it's first time and nothing inside. It's very basic and simple, so we'll just take it out, everything, and that's the show. Previous machine was quite big, and this is not as big as the previous one, which is good. Glass holder, it can capable to carry some of the extra drops inside, and you can put it here, you can put it down, and let's make it plug in and continue. Now it's plugged in, and when you turn, as you can see, it's blinking. You go up, down, depends on how much coffee you wish. And it is really small water tank here, and smaller than previous one. Okay, so the cap is here, you can fill the water straight away. So I checked the review. The first use they advise to use in cold, then you can take the clean if anything inside. So this process just cleaning whatever inside, and to do this it's come already inside included. This is in position. So this first process just clean whatever inside, and then I'm gonna place the one of the coffee. They give it, when I buy, they give it free. This is number 9. And espresso one is 35 milliliters, so they give it free when there was an offer. So I'm gonna in place. Ouch, it's dropped. It didn't want to in place though. I'm gonna go down. All right, so I'm gonna place this one in position. Okay, and so I close it. I'm gonna fill with the espresso glass. Barely put in here, barely fit in this size. So then I'm gonna select which color I wish. So I wish to have number 1 because it's small coffee and the box show use on number 1. So this is blinking. When it's ready, it will blink, will be finished. We'll just wait a little bit. So this is really simple, and just open the box and plug and use. Nothing to describe detail, and I really like how slim and how compact it is. So now it's still blinking. Maybe you can see in red. Now it's red, which means hot. When you want to have coffee, you need to press this glass button here. There's a glass button. When you click the glass button, you get a coffee. smell great. And the good thing is, like Oblo doesn't have, it's already finished. Now you don't need to do anything. After a certain time, in 5 minutes, they shut itself. Now it's making preheat for you if you want to make a second one. So it is, this is also contains some water. If you want to place it down, you can place it down. While there is some drop inside, because every filter box has strong pressure from the water. This has to drop. That's why you need to clean this one quite often. Yeah, that's it. And we have the coffee, and looks great, and exactly what the indicator says. One drop, one drop. If you want to make it more, you need to go it more. That's how it is. And I really enjoy to have this machine. If you like the coffee, I advise to have one of these machines. They're quite nice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.